Struggling to get your money out of Chime? You're not alone. It can be super frustrating when you need cash and your transaction keeps getting denied. So, what's really going on and how can you fix it? The number one reason you can't cash out on Chime is daily limits. Chime has a daily cash withdrawal limit of $515 at ATMs. That includes any fees you might be charged. So if you try to pull out $500 and the ATM charges a $3 fee, your transaction will fail because you've gone over the limit. This also applies to getting cash back at a store. They have a daily cashback limit of $500 with a transaction limit of $50 per purchase. Another common issue is using an out-of-network ATM. While Chime has a huge network of over 60,000 fee-free ATMs, if you use one that isn't in their network, both the ATM operator and Chime will charge you a fee. That can quickly eat into your balance and push you over your withdrawal limit. Always use the ATM finder in the Chime app to find a fee-free machine nearby. Sometimes, the problem isn't the ATM at all, it's your account. Your transaction could be declined if your card is locked in the Chime app. This is a great security feature, but it's easy to forget you've enabled it. Just go into the app settings and make sure transactions are allowed. Finally, while less common, there could be a system issue or a security flag on your account. If you've checked your limits, you're at a Chime-approved ATM, and your card is unlocked, it might be time to contact Chime support. They can check for any unusual activity or technical glitches that are preventing your withdrawal. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.